Irene, is that you? 151? Ooh. It's 153. Wrong Shaw. Man. 151. What do I do? What do I do? Check your numbers. 35 and older fancy dancers, number 151. That's the number I have. Hold on. Hold on. So anyway, there was this Bilagana, there was this Janae, and this Ginny. They walked into this, they walked into this garage sale. Hey, speaking of garage sales, did anybody go yard sailing this morning? Of the world. Sides, junior women fancy on that side, senior women on this side. Judges in the middle, and face your judges. I don't know if you knew it or not, but you were supposed to stay on your side. 1039. Brenna Waliatan, 4th place champion. Now, maybe if you would have, no, I'm just kidding.
Oh, okay. And then they're going to have, I think they're going to have this memorial the day after the power, but I'm not sure where. So it's kind of late, so I'm going to have one.
You got the envelope, and I believe you also have a star quote. It's down on the end there. I'll write it.
That was the last I heard of it.
3rd place, number 1028. 1028.
They have a lot of good traditional dances over there. Is that good?
Tiara the Boss Roberts. Bagay. Announcing all these other men into the Navajo Nation. That's the first one. Anyway, 2nd place, number 1044. 1044. Amber Cleveland. Your champion, junior women's fancy, is dancer number 1035. Lauren Oaks, your champion. Also rocking some new beadwork too. Yeah, it's gatherings. Oh, good thing I got ninja reflexes. New beadwork. All right, here we go in the senior women. Senior women fancy in 4th place. Number 153. Irene Oaks. This is our 4th place, 35 and over. She dances in golden age, and she can still get down with the young ones. 3rd place, dancer number 1037. Star Wide Eye, 3rd place. Wayne's probably wondering if I'm going to say Silas. 2nd place, number 1048. 2nd place.
Those worked at our school in special ed. Their daughter, she's a really good baller. Did you guys yesterday?
Oh, yeah.
Tungshe Claremont.
How you doing? I heard a familiar voice.
Oh.
How you doing? I turned around and
I'm good.
And that means your champion, ladies and gentlemen, in the senior women's fancy is number 1031. Your champion, Bobby Lynn Fredericks, your champion. She receives the champion coat, fully embroidered, the custom artwork, the fat envelope, the sand star quilt, the makeup bag, new beadwork too.